Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. And today's Wednesday, June 22nd, 2022. It is 12:19 and 21 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, menopause. So let's hop to it here. Women born fat, even after menopause. Date June 14th, 2022. Source, University of Jaivaskala. The estrogen deficiency following menopause is thought to impair women's ability to use fat as an energy source. A study shows that menopausal state or blood estrogen levels do not clearly determine the rate middle-aged women are able to use fat at rest or during exercise. Higher fat utilization did not indicate better glucose tolerance. And estrogen is viewed as a hormone promoting fat burning. After menopause, estrogen levels drop. The resulting estrogen deficiency is thought to reduce women's ability to use fat as an energy source, leading potentially to weight gain and metabolic health impairment. And estrogen levels can be restored with hormone replacement therapy. A study performed at the University of Jaivaskala found that the influence of menopause on fat utilization is likely minor compared with nutritional status or fitness levels. When the rate of fat utilization was measured at rest after overnight fasting, its primary determinant was energy balance. Women whose energy intake was lower compared with their energy expenditure used fat at a higher rate. Higher fat utilization was also characterized by higher blood fatty acid and ketone levels. However, fat utilization of postmenopausal women did not differ from women who had not yet reached menopause or were using hormone replacement therapy. And this was an expected result. Women burn fat also after menopause if their energy intake is less than their expenditure. The peak fat utilization rate was measured during a bicycle test. The highest rates were achieved by women with the highest fitness and physical activity levels. Again, postmenopausal women did not differ from women who had not reached menopause or used hormone replacement therapy. And if you want to improve the ability to burn fat during exercise, focus on improving your fitness with endurance training. In this case, you do not need to worry about menopause that much. Previous research has shown that the ability to burn fat while exercising improves with training, even after menopause. The study also looked at whether higher fat utilization indicated better glucose tolerance. The results were somewhat surprising. In women who used fat at a higher rate while resting, blood glucose and insulin levels rose more during a subsequent glucose tolerance test. Higher peak fat utilization during exercise did not indicate better glucose tolerance. And this finding can be explained by basic physiology. When you use more fat at rest as an energy source, eating carbohydrates may raise your blood glucose levels more. The body is mentally tuned to use more fat. The ketogenic diet is a current trend diet. Its effectiveness in weight loss is marked with the claim that when a person follows a diet, the body begins to burn more fat from bodily sources. And this is a common misunderstanding. A high-fat diet indeed raises the total amount of fat used in energy production. However, this is due to increased fat intake and does not mean that you suddenly begin to shed more body fat. When energy intake is less than energy expenditure, the weight drops. Similarly, regardless of diet, macronutrient distribution. The study is part of the estrogen microRNAs of the risk of metabolic dysfunction. The study involved 42 women, 26 of whom had passed menopause. The remaining 16 women had higher estrogen levels 7 of the women had not yet passed menopause and 9 were on hormone replacement therapy. The fat utilization was measured by intercalorimetry. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.